Hello friends, welcome to Developers Tube channel. Today in this video we are going to discuss about C# nullable types. So let's go to our topic. Nullable types in C#. Nullable types are data types that allow us to assign null value to a variable. C# compiler gives error when we try to assign null value to any variable. For overcoming this problem, nullable types was introduced in C# 2.0. Nullable type supports value type only, which were introduced in C# 2.0. Nullable types for reference type was later introduced in C# 8.0 in 2019. So you can see here the syntax for declaring nullable type. First nullable will come, then data type will come like int or float, etc. Then variable name like ABC or name, then semicolon if only declaring. If we are only declaring, then this syntax will come. If we are going to declare assign with the value, means declaration with initialization, then nullable will come, then data type will come, then variable name will come, after that equal to, then value which we want to assign here. The other syntax for nullable type is data type will come, then question mark will come, then variable name will come, then semicolon will come. Like data type, suppose int will come, then question mark, and name of the variable, suppose we are taking a, and after that semicolon will come. Or if we are assigning, means we are assigning value, means the declaration with initialization, then data type like int, then question mark, then after that variable name, after that equal to, and the value which we want to assign it. I have given here example, nullable int a equal to null or int question mark a equal to null, both are correct. Key points to remember for nullable types are given below. Nullable types cannot be declared using where keyword. If done so, compile time error will come. We cannot directly read the value of nullable type. With nullable type, we can use has value property. If value is there, it returns true, otherwise it returns false. The nullable type is an instance of system.nullable t struct. Here t is a type which contains non-nullable value types like integer type, floating point type, or boolean type, etc. You cannot directly access the value of the nullable type. You have to use getValue or default method to get an original assigned value if it is not null. You will get the default value if it is null. Assignment rules. A nullable type has the same assignment rules as a value type. It must be assigned a value before using it if nullable types are declared in a function as local variable. If it is a field of any class, then it will have a null value by default. Advantages of nullable types. The main use of nullable type is in database applications. Suppose in a table, a column required null values, then you can use nullable type to enter null values. Nullable type is also useful to represent undefined value. You can also use nullable type instead of a reference type to store a null value. So this is all about nullable type. So today we have covered C# nullable types. In our upcoming video, I will explain nullable type code example. And I have also given the playlist link in the description. So you can go to my playlist link and you can watch the other videos related to C#. And I have added my channel handle. So you also can go to directly my channel handle and you can watch the videos. My channel handle is www.youtube.com/@developerstube. So you can type this in the URL bar and you can go to my channel and watch the videos. So at last, I want to say that thanks for watching my video. Bye.